right, here we are. We're going on a big trip to Death Valley. So we're eating our breakfast now. We're like an hour away, gassed up, and we're going to be making our way down to Death Valley. So I got a lot of stuff planned. I'm going to try to film as much as I can, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But next time you hear from us, we'll be in the desert. Woohoo! Wow, look at this. I'm out in the middle of this road here. I'm cruising over to a ghost town. I had to stop. Check this out. This is dope. Anything you got to add to it for the people before we go?
Hello, we're back.
Yeah, we're back. We'll see you out there. This place is just insane when you're driving. So I'm on a spot I've never been to, and then check this out. I don't know how the sun's reflecting, but look at, as far as you can see, it's the road. If you've never been to Death Valley, it's highly recommended. This is like my 5th time here, and I've never seen this before. I'm just cruising at like 65 forever. That's what it feels like. Mrs. Prop's taking pics. I don't know how well you can see them, but we've seen our first wild ass.
He's right there.
There's donkeys out here. Alright, here I am. Barker Ranch. This is where Manson was captured here. We met a guy in town. He told us where, so we're going to look around and try to find it. That seems interesting. So this is the thing, and it says right here 69 Manson and the other members are captured at the site. Came a park in 94 and an accidental fire in 2009. Oh wow, cool. Check it out. I like it up. People see it. Right here. Okay. Boom. Add in my sticker. So there it is. So if you come to Barker Ranch, take a photo with my sticker, you'll win something. Wow, it's pretty cool. It's like people are still having fires here. People must come up here. There's no way they know what's going on out here. Wow. So this used to be the house. Bigger than my apartment, that's for sure. Nice kitchen area. Stove, you could cook in there. Maybe a little dining area. This must have been some sort of bathroom or something. Pretty cool. Alright, so I'm at this crossroads here. I'm not a super duper off-roader, and I was tripoding a little bit because this hole's so deep. So I'm super nervous about it. I put my traction boards down, I built some rocks, but it's still a little wonky, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hike to the bottom. I think once I get around this corner here, I get down into the Butte Valley. So yeah, we made the Mangle Pass. Fucking was pretty gnarly. Excuse me. It was pretty gnarly. I had to make that thing. There's another little section. This section is not much what you're seeing right here, but whew, I made it. I was a little nervous. Truck's loaded up and stuff, so it's a little different. You got the tent up there a little high, so you got to be careful. But Mrs. Prop guided me down, and we made it as a team. And the pup peed his bed because he's a scaredy cat. Alright, well, we finally made it to our camp spot, and I'm charging some batteries. So I think I'm just going to hang out here because I've been driving a lot, and start doing some crawling through here, take some photos and videos. There's a mine all the way up there, so I got my rigs out, just kind of clearing out a little bit and airing out the tent and just relaxing. So there's a lot of moths out, which is really strange, but other than that, nothing here. So this is the Jackery 500 watt. I wasn't sure if it was going to charge batteries or not. Doesn't power my heat gun very well. The heat gun draws a lot of watts on it, and it's too much output of watts, and I was having issues. But I got one battery in now, and I'm only at 82 watts, so this thing should charge 2 batteries no problem. So now, say I went somewhere and I wanted to charge some batteries while I'm driving on my tailgate, I got something, and I don't have to hook up my little alligator clips to the truck battery, charging my phone and everything off of this while I'm camping. So that's kind of what I got it for. It's like a twofer. I can take it camping. I could power my wife's turtle tank because we lose power in storms at home a lot, so the heater could run off of this. Just, you know, I had a couple good uses, so I decided to pick one of those up. So we're just kind of hanging out here, but yeah, it's beautiful. I love this. This is absolutely peace. I don't know how well this is showing up on camera, but yeah, this is our spot for the night. Tomorrow, I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna hang here. That's kind of what's in my head. The camera's not really getting this, but I was just out. The moon just came up over the mountains. You can see the light source there. That is it. But it's just so beautiful, I had to show it real quick. So it's dark all the way around. That moon came out. I can see. I don't really need my headlamp if I'm just gonna go out and pee. Beautiful night. A little breezy, but not too bad. Much warmer than any of the other nights, so I'm looking forward to sleeping tonight. So yep, just had to share that moon though. Look at that. It looks so cool. All right, here we are. Another beautiful morning. We are out of the tent. It's warm, don't have to rush, and look at that. Beautiful sunrise. So we're gonna get the coffee going, get some breakfast, feeding the pup. So it is like day 3 or 4 of our trip. I don't know, it's Thursday. We left on Monday. So we skipped around a little bit. We missed like our first day doing some stuff because of the situations, finding camping and cold and whatnot. But now we are ready to make videos, do some stuff. So let's get this coffee going, get the day going. All right, so for those of you who might have not watched any of my older videos, I like to make my coffee in the morning on a percolator. So I got the recipe down. It comes out really hot. You just have to let it cool down and then it's good. I put it in my Yeti cup. So I got this Coleman grill a long time ago on sale, super cheap, added it. It's been great. I got the grill part, which honestly I don't really like it. I'd like just 2 burners, but if you put foil down it helps with the grill. I just picked up this table from REI. You just pop the pins in and take out the top, and then you pop another pin, and then this the leg pieces just slide right up and it goes right into a bag real easy and takes up a little bit of space. I overpacked for the trip because I got too many RC trucks and I was trying out some new stuff. So I'm gonna have to rearrange because I'm trying to take advantage of my time off this winter and go camping and crawling a lot. So I need to get my truck ready. I like the tent on the roof. It's up out of the way, but I think I'm gonna pick up a different kind of rack for the back. So I'll go over the setup. Maybe at another time I'll go over everything, but I don't know. I was just heating up my coffee here, so figured I'd just show this stuff quick in case you haven't seen any of my crawl vlog videos, because I've done this stuff. I've actually been here. I got other Death Valley videos if you've never seen them, but yeah, gotta get this coffee going and then I'll be ready. Got back from a quick rip with the Bronco, testing out those 90mm shocks. Just went down there. I got a little video, but we need to eat. Mrs. Prop is on breakfast duty today, so she's getting stuff ready now. I need to eat. I need some fuel, but sweatshirt is off. The sun's feeling good. I think it's gonna be in the 70s today. So yeah, we're gonna stay here all day. I decided. Wasn't sure what we're gonna do. I'm sick of driving around. Everything's so far. It's not like right up the street. It takes 30-40 minutes to get anywhere. So we're gonna stay here, have a big breakfast, maybe go on a little hike ski. I'm gonna take photos, crawl, you know, those sort of things. Ready for breakfast, babe? Nice. Oh yeah, look at her go, making breakfast. She's in the kitchen where she belongs. Oh yeah, some bacon. You gotta go traditional when you go camping. Keep it simple. Bacon, cheese, veggies, eggs, and ready to go pancakes. Don't want to get too complicated. But look at this. Boy, I tell you what, this here is God's country. It don't get no better than this. Yeah, yeah. Death Valley, yeah.
What are you doing, Papa?